Good morning. It is, I never know what day it is in these vlogs. It's Tuesday, I think. Happy Tuesday. Just did my makeup, I got dressed. It's cold out, so I'm wearing this cute star sweater shirt thing I got from Costco, and then my scrunchie, and then just some leggings. Cozy but cute, if you will. But I'm just gonna vlog today. I had the vlogging bug. To be honest, I've been watching Carrie Rad's vlogs and I love her vlogs and Zoella's vlogs, and when I watch other vlogs, I'm like, oh, I want to vlog too. I just think it's fun. So today we have a few errands to run, and then I'm hoping to have like a productive day, add in a little bit of self-care, maybe some crafting, because there's some things I want to paint, but I just thought I'd bring you along with us. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Skillshare, which you guys know I love. I am in a year-long partnership with them, which is so exciting for me. So thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring and supporting my channel. But if you don't know what Skillshare is, it is an online learning community where basically they have classes on anything you could imagine. My favorite classes in the past have been on mostly plants, growing and propagating plants, growing herbs, storing herbs, house plants. Like, there's a lot of great videos on plants, which is mostly why I got into it. But there's also great videos on cooking. We learned how to make pasta from scratch from a few videos on Skillshare. I've learned to make a lot of great crafts, which I'm actually going to put to the test later on to try and maybe make some DIY Christmas gifts. And a new video I just discovered that I really want to try to make, they are like monstera leaves made out of paper. And it looks like it might, I haven't watched it yet. It looks like it might be simple. We will see if I can achieve it. One of the things I love most about Skillshare are the chapter breakdowns. So if you have to stop your class for any reason, you don't have enough time, if it's a longer class, or you just want to revisit something, it's very easy to find what you left off on or what you're looking for with the chapter breakdowns. It's really user-friendly. It's great for all levels and just all fields. Cameras, video editing, like I said, plants, cooking, homemaking, spiritual stuff like manifesting, organization, crafting, art classes. Like, they really just have it all. So if you're interested in trying Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description box will get a free trial of the premium membership. And if you decide to stay on after that, it is very affordable. It's less than $10 a month. But yeah, if you try out any Skillshare classes, please let me know. If you have any to recommend, please let me know in a comment down below. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this vlog, and I hope you guys check it out. Can you get out?
No. Can I help you? Leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay, all right, let's go.
So, our errands today consist of trying to find a new comforter. Are you in here?
Yep.
You are. Which I know is gonna make a lot of you guys really sad because you guys love the comforter, but then we got a puppy, and look at what happened.
It wasn't even Ludo.
Well,
It started to rip and Ludo.
yeah, so, which actually on our time hop we moved in 5 years ago today. So we've had this, I get so many questions. This is, excuse me! No! I'm just having a little cotton candy! No! None for you. Yeah? Okay. This is a king-size quilt from Anthropology. Oh my god. We are very feisty. Behave, 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 behave. Relax. Okay? No. No. We've entered teenage years and we're having like an attitude problem. He just turned 9 months. Is that like a thing? I don't know. So it's a king-size quilt from Anthropology. We've had it for 5 years. It started ripping. We got this demon and now it just is completely toe up. Plus, it's been really chilly and we would like one of those big, fluffy, I think you call them a duvet.
Okay.
Oh my god. We want one of those big, fluffy comforter duvet things. I don't really know what you call it. But so we're hitting the town today to find one. We're gonna check out Home Goods, mostly because, you guys, you'll hear more about it in my holiday home decor haul, which, my god, you guys, it's like embarrassing the amount of things I've purchased. I'm like debating like, ooh, I shouldn't even do it, but I'm going to. Are you okay?
How much have you bought?
Honey, you've seen it. It's fine.
Yes. It's just in piles.
No, there's one big pile, but I'm on this hunt for the Johanna Parker Christmas stuff, which is only coming out at Home Goods, but it's like coming out in batches and only a few things. I'm on the hunt for a very specific teapot. I'll enter a photo. I must have it. I've checked. He's a demon, but we love him. Ludi, what do you have to say for yourself?
Don't leave me.
Okay.
Take me with you.
I forgot what I was talking about. I want the teapot. So Bradley suggested let's try a different Home Goods today and try to find the teapot. We're gonna go to Home Goods, but we're gonna check out the bedding there. I've never bought bedding from Home Goods, so I don't really know. I would say let me know your recommendations, but it'll be after this goes up. So I can definitely see us ending our day at Bed Bath & Beyond, mostly because I have great coupons for there. Everybody does, you know, and that's just where I've gotten my bedspreads in the past, because I know you can get like the duvet insert and the, you know, whatever. So that's the main task for today. Then I'm gonna come home and work on tomorrow's gift guide. This week, as I'm filming this, is gift guide week, which I'm so excited about. They will obviously all still be there on my website, amylynnbutchin.com. A gift guide every day this week. So yesterday was stocking stuffers. Today went up like mid-range gifts, $25 to $50. Tomorrow is extravagant gifts, $50 and up. I also have a plant lovers gift guide, best beauty sets, a housewares or like housewarming gift guide, and then for men. So gotta get to work on that for tomorrow. I have a video I want to edit, just stuff to do around the house as well, and then I'm hoping to end my evening in a bath because it's been so cold and I have so many lush Christmas things to use. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with our errands. Okay guys, so it's much later on now. I did try to take a nap, so my makeup is all gone. Home Goods, we didn't find anything except for the sweater for Ludo and about 9 dog toys. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and we kind of splurged on this UGG. It's faux fur, I don't know what it's made of, but it's this fun blue color. I love it and I love the way it feels. I'm just debating whether it's going to be too heavy or not, which I guess is what we're looking for. We're looking for warmth. This is his favorite material to lay on. I knew he would love it and he like does not want to leave it, which makes me like, so it's just so cute. But it feels very similar to my favorite Don't Freak It's Faux blanket, and like a comforter made out of it. That's what dreams are made of. And I just think it looks so fancy. It gets dark so early now, I'm already losing light. But I'm just gonna do a few more productive things before I figure out what's for dinner. Wow, looking toe up. I'm gonna have a bath now. I hear the dog. Oh, he's right here. Still in a sweater. The couch is a mess. I was just playing some Animal Crossing with my sister. I had some shooting stars, so she came over to my island and we caught some stars. But now I'm gonna take a bath and have a bit of, not a pamper evening, but just a little bit of self-care, relax. And I'm going to use the new Christmas Angel's Delight Bath Bomb. It smells so good. It smells very similar to like the Miranda soap, so it's very fruity. So I will keep you posted on that. so I just got in bed. Some nights Bradley and I watch like movies or TV or something together, but other nights I'm in the mood to lay in bed and watch TikTok, which is like a high guilty pleasure at the moment. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. That's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go TikTok my little heart out until I fall asleep. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you'd like. I'll have my face right here. My hands are stained pink from the bath bomb because I do like to hold the bath bombs as they disintegrate because I'm weird. But then I'll have some videos you can click right here to watch. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in a new one. Bye!